Gavana ma kaunti ma Marsabit Muhamuda Ali ogoyo erokamano ne jokanyo mopogore opogore mabende wacho ni osebedo ng'ala manyime mar neno ni kwe obedo e kaunti no. Muhamud ne oloso e kinde nyasi mar yawo ayanga apisi mar duol mariwo wi oganda kanyachiel mano NCIC bade ma Marsabit, kama jakoma mar NCIC Laktar Samuel Kobia wacho ni kwe oseduogo e kaunti no koro nyaka koro sani, kabende koro wacho ni sani en saa mar riwo oganda jo Marsabit kamoro achiel.
There were signs of tensions and intercommunal violence, and you told me that you would like to seek ways to find a solution to that. You had mentioned that it was decades old, but that it was intensifying and that you were extremely concerned. And today, I hope you're proud to see what you, together, of course, with all the other stakeholders, you have achieved. It's not only about opening this peace center here. Of course, that is very important. It's not only about launching this peace-building initiative for the future here in Marsabit. It's what you have already achieved over the past few months. The fact that the drought, for example, we always thought that the drought would intensify the conflicts between communities because there is a fight for scarce resources. This has not been the case in this county. The elections have been very peaceful in this county.